We can tell you that the higher you go in the mountains here in West Virginia, the worse the snow dump from Sandy gets. And as a matter of fact, some counties have it so bad they have snow drifts as high as 5 feet. We visited one of those counties, Preston County, in the community of Kingwood. Up to 3 feet of heavy snow triggered Preston County, West Virginia's emergency. It brought down power lines and trees on roads, and authorities told people to stay home. But nearly 9 out of 10 people in this county have lost their electricity.
We mainly try to keep inside when it's like this, and we go out and get kerosene if we need it, and then hope we don't have to wait so long without power.
Take a look here. This pile of snow from the plow gives you an idea of how deep, how thick it's been here in Preston County, West Virginia. Over there, that gentleman fighting a losing battle with a snowplow in his yard. It's a long day of digging out and bouncing back. Describe what it's like out at your farm.
About 1.5 feet of snow, cold and windy, real cold.
And how you dealing with that out there?
Just dealing with it.
This interstate was shut down for more than 12 hours from outside Morgantown to the Maryland state line, stranding truckers and commuters alike. This ramp on I-68 tells the story. Truck after truck after truck after truck. The higher you go into the mountains, the worse is the snow. They've been waiting for hours for the road to be cleared.
A lot of confusion. A lot of people don't understand why it's shut down. They don't understand how bad the mountain really gets up there.
We got some kids from the deaf and blind school, and we were stuck there, and the power went out in the motel.
Thoughts go to hurt people, hopefully they feel better. Hopefully nobody's hurt too much.
Coming up at 6, we talk to some other West Virginians digging out from the big snow from Sandy. Pulling along Interstate 68, just outside of Morgantown in West Virginia, Bob Mayo, Channel 4 Action News.